To create progress bars like this in Google Sheets without writing a single formula, go to the top right corner, click on the Gemini icon, and paste in this prompt. Select the file icon drop down and make sure you have your data sources selected. You can unselect the rest of the data sources and submit your prompt. You can even generate something for a new sheet or completely from scratch. It might ask you some questions for input, so we can select to create a new project tracking spreadsheet. Use checkboxes, visual progress bars, add any other input, and then click on next. You can watch the progress, watch Gemini create your tracker, your progress bars, or you can go to another tab and work on something else. So this is what the progress bars from the first sheet looks like. It fills those progress bars in for column C. And here's the progress. It's creating the progress tracker live as it builds the scorecards at the top and the table for the task below it. And the tracker is ready, so we can test this out. So we'll fill this in, subtask 1, and click on the status for complete. And we can see 1 of 1 has been completed, next one, subtask 2, and now we can see that half of it is completed. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.